Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles, California, the heart of the Golden State where dreams come alive.
Rolling down Imperial Highway, the big nasty red at my side. Santa Ana winds blowing hot from the north. We were born to ride. Roll down the window, put down the top, crank up the Beach Boys, baby. Don't let the music stop. We go ride it till we just can't ride it no more. From the side bay to the valley, from the west side to the east side, everybody very happy, 'cause the sun is shining all the time. It's like another perfect day. I love LA.
I can never be a mob nigga. The difference between us and the suckers is we pop. Maybe ARP fit my backpack. I can rock this one. If I see you on a foot mission, better not.